Alright, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be discussing how to read a measurement tape, to know the meaning of all these dots, these lines, and what they stand for. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you and you'll find it useful. Come, let's go a little closer. Alright, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to divide the particles of this tape into three. That is, this one, the full line, end-to-end line here, the half one, which is this, and the smaller one. So the end-to-end line, which is the longest line in this tape here, while this one, which is like the half from end to the center, while this one is obviously the smallest here. Understand? So starting from the beginning of this tape here to here is known as 1 inch. So from here, from the beginning of the tape, the metal, from here to here is known as 1 inch. From here to here is referred to as 1 inch. Now from here to here is known as 1 byte. Here to here is referred to as 1 byte. Then from here to here is known as quarter. From here to here is known as quarter. While from here to here is known as 3 bytes. Please pay attention to what I'm saying. I said from here, from the metal to this place, that's the end-to-end line. From an end-to-end line to here, more like from here to here, is known as 1 inch. From here to here, 1 inch. Then from the full line to the smaller one, the first small line there is known as 1 byte. The second small line, this one that is bigger than this one, is known as quarter. From here to here is quarter. Then from here to here is known as 3 bytes. Then from here to this line here is known as half. That's half of an inch. From here to here is known as half of an inch. You know, an inch is from here to here. So the center of this full lines here, which is this, is known as half inch. You understand? From here to here is known as half inch. Then from here to here is known as 5 bytes. From here to here is known as 5 bytes. Then from here to here is known as 3/4. If you check from where this pen is at now, you count 3/4, like 1, 2, and 3. So from here to here is known as 3/4. Then from here to here is known as 7 bytes. You understand? From the full line to this last line before the full line is known as 7 bytes. While from here to here is the 1 inch that I'm talking about. So from here to here, the full line here is 1 inch. So from the beginning now to here, this 2 here is simply 2 inch. While from here to here is 1 inch. That's what the number represents. So when you see this 1 here is from here to here, 1 inch. From here to here, 2 inch. Now if your measurement is stopping like from here to here, it's known as 1.5. Understand? If you're stopping from here to here, it's known as 1/3. 1/3. So let's go on a bigger scale. So I will explain with the full tape measurement. So from the beginning of this tape to 36 here is known as 1 yard. This is 1 yard. From the metal, the beginning of the tape to 36 is known as 1 yard. While half of 36 is 18, which is known as half yard. You understand? So from the beginning of the tape, from here down to here is known as 1 yard. So if someone wants to measure 1.5, it's going to measure 36 and 18. That is 1.5. If you want to measure 1.25, that is 36 and 9, which is a trouser length. The trouser length is 36 and 9 inches. It is called a trouser length. So I hope this tutorial is helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.